Hi, today in front of me Realme 11 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. Now open first the settings, then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the sound mode section, switch ringing to the silent one, and by this way you will see that all your ringtones and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, you could switch it here from silent to the ring one, or also you could just unmute ringtone volume panel. Also, you could make it by another way. Just open the control panel, find here ring icon, tap twice, switch it to the silent mode, or to turn it off, click and just to switch it to the ring one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.